Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an updated wash and go routine. As you can tell by the title, it's basically like a 10-minute wash and go. I did this Sunday and it came out really nice. So I decided just to record a video about it so you can see how easy of a process it really can be. And I still came out with really great definition. So I'm already starting on washing and deep condition hair. I deep conditioned overnight because I was tired and it was like 1 o'clock in the morning. My hair feels really soft. This is what it's looking like. It's all fluffy and it's still pretty damp, but I'm going to need it to be soaking wet because that's how I did it the last time. So I'm just going to put on a towel because I don't like to get wet. There you go. So I'm going to divide my hair into, this time I'm going to divide it into 5 sections because I want a curly bang because, you know, I have, my front is shorter than the rest of my hair. So I'm just going to section that off. So just about this much, and then let's go. Alright, and then I'll do the regular 4 sections. I think I grab more hair on this side. I'm just gonna take, okay, that's better. So, there you go. So I'm gonna leave this side out and start on that side. So I'm really not gonna speed this video up because I really want to time how long it takes. Okay, so the last time the conditioner I used was the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Breakup Breakage Leave-In Conditioner. As you see, I used quite a bit. This is about like 2 uses. But today, I'm just gonna use the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Knot Away Leave-In Detangler. I'm gonna use this. I haven't really noticed much of a difference between the two, other than the consistency is different. This is a lot thicker, and that's what I want. If I can get it to come out. Okay. I think this is kind of stupid. You don't want to come out. Didn't have this problem before, maybe. There you go. So it's really thick. So I'm just gonna do one more, about that much, for this section. Oh man, give me 1 second. Okay, so I had to get my spray bottle with my aloe vera juice, so I'm gonna spray this section. Before I put on the leave-in, just to kind of get that wet. But this is what my curl pattern is looking like. All right. My hair is already tangled, so just making sure my hair is completely covered and leaving every strand. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add some oil just to seal that in. So just avocado oil, castor oil, and peppermint oil. I love avocado oil because it really penetrates the hair. So when I add castor oil, it's not just sitting on top of my hair. It's actually like really penetrating and giving my hair everything it needs. That's what my curls are looking like. So I'm just going to twist this out the way. And then I'm just going to repeat on all the sections of my hair, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I've done all the sections of my hair. They all received leave-in conditioner and the oil mixture. So this is the very first section. This is how it's looking. Look at the curls. They're very elongated, which is nice, but you know, it's gonna shrink up. So I did apply like way more conditioner in the front just because that is like what gets the most like sun and manipulation and all that jazz. So now I'm just gonna apply the gel. I'm gonna be using the Wetline String Gel, just the blue one. So I'm gonna take about this much. I'm just gonna rub that into my hands and just apply it to the entire section as a whole. And then I'm just going to spray some more aloe vera juice just to wet that section. So, and then I'm just raking my fingers through, kind of like making it smaller curls. I'm gonna make sure I get like the roots though, because last time I didn't really get the roots. So I had a few puffy areas, but it kind of gave it more volume. So I'm not trying to make them super slick. And then just to make sure all the strands are coated, the gel is worked into the hair. And this is pretty much it. And this is what I want to do to all the sections of my hair. Just running my fingers through it, separating what needs to be separated, if any. Praying hands. Eliminate frizz. Eliminate frizz. And then that's how it's looking. It's all nice and shiny. And